Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. I've just stumbled on this derelict building. I'm just going to get in. I think all the floors have gone. I'm just going to have a quick explore. So guys, it's quite easy really. I mean the windows not boarded up at all. It is literally derelict. Demolished. See the fireplace? And the one upstairs. It just looks like they've had some sort of fire. I don't know how old this house is. Looks like it's been left for years. Looks like that's some sort of bathroom up there. With the tiles. Nature's just taking over. See what's down here. Oh, just a wall there. Should we see if we can get up there? Have a quick look. Hold on guys. Let's have a go around here first. Another window what's open there, I didn't see that one. It looks like another fireplace up there. Wow. That's cool. Like I said, there's no roof on it guys. Nature's just taking over. That's what this bit is around here. To be fair, it looked like a big house. I'm actually still in the house at the moment. Oh wow, so looks like this was some sort of kitchen. Is that some sort of oven? Not too sure, some sort of fire. But the rubble here, it looks like it goes down quite a bit to be fair. Let's go around here. What's that there? Oh, another fireplace. What's in there? That's solid. I have to watch where I'm going treading as well. I don't know if there's any nails in any of this. Go through here. Another fireplace. Oh, the floor's gone there. Double there. But another cool fireplace. And another one above. How many fireplaces do they have? I wonder if these are... I mean, the floor's completely gone here. Just got to be careful where I'm treading. I wonder if these are the original beams from back in the day. This one here, very cool. So if we can go, if there's anywhere else we missed. Oh. Wonder what the history is on this house. Can I get through there? That leads around here. Ow. Another fireplace down there. That's cool. Let's go back round. Oh, that's where I was just. Oh. I wonder what's behind there. If anything. It's just, that's too dangerous to go over there, I think. Wow, look at that window as well, or whatever that was. That big gap. Oh. Looks like more railway sleepers. Still got some of that ash in the fire. I think it's ash. That's cool. Did we look this side? Oh yeah. I wonder who lived here. Let's have a look up there, boys. There he is. Just pause it a minute. So I made it upstairs to the top fireplace. And it's just completely rotten. I mean, there's some graffiti on the wall, which I'm not going to show. But yeah, man, this is cool. Look how powerful nature is. Consumed it. Gotta get back down there now, guys. I mean, I wonder if this place had a basement. I would have thought so. I'm heading out now, guys. Just one more look, man. It's cool, isn't it? And nature's just taking over. I love it. Gotta get out now, guys. Big nail there. Turn it over. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Didn't know about it. It's definitely derelict. Definitely nature's took over. Till next time, peace. As you can see, guys, nature has taken over the building. Is it worth an investigation? Let me know in the comments. I'm more than happy to come back in the dark. Peace.